I don't know if this was always like this, but I think right now we are perceiving everything from a human perspective, and this is too much. Like, peace is for humans, war is for humans, like all the problems are totally human problems, and nature is a little bit like forgotten around, and we are impacting that much in nature, but we are just thinking from a humans for humans perspective. I wanted to do this project also to have the possibility to embody a bat, where you can be the bat in this VR experience. You are flying, you are the bat, you are making your echolocation that shows around the space. In this case, it's a bat from North Mexico called long-nosed bat, and it's a pollinator bat who uses echolocation to find the flowers to pollinate, to feed on. And so you start on your cave, on the cave where you live, and you find the way around from the cave and to go out from the cave. And then you find the plants, and then you hear all the echoes from the other plants, and the idea is to find this specific plant to pollinate. And I like also a lot this connection with the clay, with the material, and how it needs you to be very calm to work with, to work there. I'm always looking at nature, trying to find things. Like, nature for me is the thing that inspires me the most. And for example, when I was coming here, I saw these leaves that have some traces on them, and they have somehow like drawings. But this is also the path that an insect was. That a larva, a small insect, was walking inside the leaves. And I found they are leaf miner insects, and they could be vesps, bees, or moths, and the mother of the insect leaves the egg inside the under the superficial tissue of the leaf, and the larvae start walking and eating. So you can see the place where the egg was at the beginning, and the larva then started to walk and growing, so you can see the direction of the path. And so this, for example, has been for me the inspiration for many works I did before, and this makes me think about how is my day, for example, how could be the line of my day visible in a map, or the contrast of a human and an animal or an insect. This is a little bit how I like to work. Like, I like to find things that amaze me in nature, and then I like to make this parallel with the humans and our own lives and our own day-a-days, and try to find these small points of crossing conceptually or poetically. I find some years ago a way to combine pottery with my interests with nature, and to kind of help somehow nature, or just make people aware about nature, because this is, I think, one of my interests, just to make people aware. I did these shelters for non-human life. They were called like this, and they are like a hotel for insects, basically, inspired in the nests, in the wasp nests. And yeah, and so there are these forms like 3 vessels putting like attached together with some hole in between, also the inside structure. So it becomes like a three vessel object that you could hang inside your house, or maybe outside your house. But the idea with this object is that the insect, or whoever life form that comes inside to inhabit this place, it's allowed to do it. And you can clean around, but you never touch this place. This is meant to be for life. Now I'm researching on how could be possible to help processes of biological conservation, especially actually in the context of the post-conflict in Colombia. The war that was going on in Colombia for 60 years or even more was also preserving life and was also preserving biodiversity. And this is very ironic, but this was like this. So the conflict in the regions that was not good for humans was very good for nature. I wanted to study biology, I wanted to do conservation, but I took in a serendipitous way the path of the arts. But for me the intention is the same. I want to do conservation. And how can I do conservation from the arts?